Hi there, this is Timo, and today I want to show you the Sony DSC HX60-V camera. Yeah, it's quite a nice name for it. Not so easy to remember and to pronounce it correctly, sorry for that one. So it's a very compact camera with a huge zoom. It says on the front here of the lens casing 30 times optical zoom, and that's amazing. So just at first have a look at the camera itself. At the front you can see, of course, the lens, which is completely retracted right now, and it's protected here, not against huge bumps, but I guess it will prevent to get too dusty. You should avoid hitting it with other objects. Here's a neat grip, and there's a small I/O port which is labeled multi. So this can be used to charge the camera or to connect it to your computer. Let me close it again. Okay. And here's also the position to mount the wristband to protect the camera from falling down if you drop it accidentally. On the rear side there's a screen and some buttons. Hope you can see them. They are labeled Movie, FN, which actually stands for function. Then there is a play button. This is a small wheel which can be turned, but it also provides as a four-way kind of a controller to click. You can choose to hit the button to the top, which is labeled DISP, display. On the right side there's an icon for flash. Below you'll find a camera with some stars around, so this is for some special functions. And on the left side it provides continuous shooting functions as well as self-timer. Here it's the menu button and a question mark and trash can. This is to access the internal help system or to delete photos. Yeah, on top there's also a flash labeled button, which, guess what, actually opens the flash. So this is something just simply mechanical. Having a look at the top, you will see a hot shoe or accessory connector, which is protected by this piece of plastic. Here you see it, and it contains some smaller connectors. So this is to add some accessories, and two microphones to record audio for the video in stereo. The next is a dial allowing you to choose between different settings. So it has, of course, program automatic mode, but you can also select to take photos in aperture or shutter speed priority mode, or you can go, that's nice, to completely manual mode. Additionally, you have some intelligent, they call it intelligent and intelligent, it's intelligent plus mode, a scene selection. You can record panoramic photos. It's kind of an assistant, and movies. And this is, I guess, if I remember correctly, memory recall. You can store your settings to access them later. Here on the right, this is also very nice. You have a smaller dial to use EV compensation to darken or brighten up the scene completely. Here is the shutter button. If you press it about more than halfway, you can feel a resistance, and if you push it down further, it actually takes the picture. This small ring here can be moved to right or left to control the zoom. Here is an NFC icon which actually indicates the camera is capable of using NFC to pair with other devices, and this works. I tried it out. I put my smartphone to the side of the camera and they were able to communicate. On the left side it says 30 times optical zoom, and there is a GPS Wi-Fi icon. This means this camera, because it's the HX60-V, the V indicates it contains a GPS system, and this GPS is a nice feature to geotag your photos, so the coordinates where you took the photo are going to be stored in the metadata, in the EXIF. And Wi-Fi can be used to access the camera for remote control, or to gain access to the photos, to download them from the camera. Just have a look below the camera. There's a hole where you will put your screw into to mount the camera to a tripod. Here's an indicator showing you the middle of the imaging sensor and an HDMI connector. If you unlock this, it will automatically open. This compartment contains the battery and the memory card. So much for now, just to give you a small overview. If you want to know more about the camera, let me turn it on. But before I will do that, please post to the comments section. Let me know which functions you are most interested into. Thanks for watching.